Welcome to our second series of Mustard 101. Today we're going to do a yellow mustard. These are all natural ingredients. Very simple, very easy. Why do this instead of what you would get at the store? Because the flavor is superior and the ingredients are all natural. There's no gums, there's no additives, there's no nothing. I love mustard and I love all styles of mustard. Every mustard has an application and we'll go through all of that. But thanks for joining us for the second series. In this one, it's all ingredients that you can find at your house. Water, mustard powder, salt, paprika, turmeric, garlic, and distilled white vinegar. That's it, guys. No gums, no flavors, no spices, no additives. It's all natural. You know what you're feeding your kids, and they're going to love it when you grill out hot dogs. So let's get started on cooking this. Alright, so it's time to cook our mustard. We'll start with 2 cups of water. Add in the mustard powder. We'll put this on low heat and just bring this to a low simmer. Not even really a simmer. You just want to reduce this by about half until you get a nice consistent paste. It's very important that you reduce this and make sure that you have really good ventilation while you do this, because it is very pungent. It's very strong. So we added our salt, our paprika, our turmeric, our garlic. Stir this, and then we'll get a nice paste going here. And it's going to take about 10 or 15 minutes. We'll reduce this. Remember, as you reduce, you're adding flavor. So as it stands right now, it's a weaker mustard. As you reduce it, it's going to be a stronger mustard. Now remember, we didn't wash off or brine any of the tannins in this, so it's going to be very pungent in the beginning. So I definitely recommend to let it sit for 2 to 3 days. They say 12 hours, but I never eat my mustard more than a couple days after making it. So give this a great stir. As you can see that we just really have a nice paste. We're going to add our vinegar to this at this point. Reduce this one more time till we get a mustard consistency, and we'll have a finished product. It is absolutely amazing. Now, it is very pungent. And make sure when you do this that you use a non-corrosive pan. So stainless steel, not aluminum, because it will reflect in the mustard itself. So stir this, nice reduction of it till we get a really nice consistency of where you want your mustard to be. I like mine a little thicker, so we'll leave this on medium low and let it reduce till we're all said and done. And it's a beautiful thing. As you can see, we have a great product here. Nice consistency, nice shimmer. Really, I love this mustard. I really do. Now this is a little bit stronger than your store-bought mustards because there's none of the goos and the gabs and the gunders that they put in it. So this is just a pure mustard.